Welcome to our review of the CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR Gaming PC. You'll find the link to this product in the description below. Take a moment to check the price and consider grabbing yours today. If you're in the market for a powerful, immersive gaming experience, this system is definitely worth considering. Equipped with an Intel Core i5-13400F processor, the PC offers a remarkable 2.5 GHz base speed that ensures smooth, seamless gaming. Now let's dive into its key features. First off, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 with 8 GB of dedicated graphics memory takes gaming visuals to a whole new level. Whether you're battling in a high-speed FPS or exploring vast open-world environments, this GPU handles it with ease, providing you with crisp, high-definition graphics and buttery smooth frame rates. Next, let's talk about memory. This gaming PC comes with 16 GB of DDR5 RAM, which means you'll enjoy fast load times and no lag, even during the most demanding multitasking sessions. Add to that a 1TB PCIe Gen 4 NVMe SSD, and you've got plenty of room for your games, media, and applications. With this, not only will you experience faster boot times, but the overall system performance will be noticeably improved. Another fantastic feature is the sleek and modern design of the case. The tempered side panel is not only durable but also allows you to showcase the internal components, including the customizable RGB lighting, which adds a personal touch to your setup. Plus, the connectivity options are robust, with 5 USB 3.1 ports, 4 USB 2.0 ports, a LAN 1G port, Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 4.2, and 7.1 channel audio, ensuring you can connect everything you need with ease. Now, for those of you who want to ensure peace of mind, CyberPowerPC provides a 1-year parts and labor warranty, alongside free lifetime tech support. This means you can game without worrying about any potential issues, knowing that support is just a call away. Whether you're an esports enthusiast or a casual gamer, the CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR Gaming PC is built to handle it all. It's a perfect mix of power, design, and functionality. Don't forget, the link to the product is right below in the description. Go ahead and check it out, see the price, and take the next step in upgrading your gaming experience. Grab yours today and get ready to immerse yourself in the next level of gaming performance.